Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be the part 3 of the series we have started, like you with me. So we are going to complete the dashboard. We have already created or done with the navigation. So today we are going to look at how to develop this part of it. The welcome admin and then the invoice category tabs, buttons, icons that we have here. So without much ado, please let's get into it and finish it up. So I'm going to close this. Let me click on window, then I'll select it here. Okay, so this is what we were able to do the last time we created this beautiful buttons here with the invoice system. So let's see how we can develop the dashboard itself, the main part. Okay, so I'll close this one and I'll go to create. I will select blank form. Okay, so I'll go to design view and then extend this a little bit. 10 inches will do. Okay, all right, then I will click on design. I'll go to properties, then I will change this one to neither, then the change, but again I will have to change the size to tiny, then record selectors to no, navigation buttons to no. Okay, so I will right click here, save the form. I will call it FRM dashboard. Okay, so let's save this one. Let me open it view. All right, so let's pop it up. Let's make it pop. So we go to orders, go to pop up, we say yes. Now let's check it out. All right, so we have this. Okay, so let's go back and check. Okay, so we have this space around here, then we have the line top here and we come out here. Okay, so what I'll do is, all right, so I'll have this and place it here. I will say welcome. All right, so I'm going to format this. I will change it to Microsoft. All right, I'm going to use this one. Check 18. Okay, so 20 will do. All right, so let's check it out. Okay, so welcome admin. Okay, so this is good. I will go here. In fact, you can choose your font that you want. Now hold shift and drag to the side. Okay, I have that line also. Let's check it out. Okay, so that is it. So let's go back to design view. I'm just going to move this one a little bit, and then yeah, so this is good. Let's check it out. Okay, so we have this one, and let's see what again we have, and then the invoice. Okay, so let's change this line, format it, pick shape color. I'm going to select this. Okay, view. All right, I think it's almost perfect, so I will save. All right, so what I'm going to do is I am going back here and then bring in image, and then I will have this one big as that. So I'm not going to insert anything. Cancel. I will go to PowerPoint. Okay, let me open PowerPoint. I'll click on new. I think this should be a very short video for us to get it done, so let me remove this. Okay, so I'll go to insert Then I'll go to shapes and I will select this and I will drag like this. So like that. Stretch the corner. Okay, so I'll let's fill color white. Then I will, okay, you look at the outline, you pick almost the same like that. Okay, so let's check it out from the okay, let's increase the border size. Oh, sorry, need to outline increase it to say 5. Yeah, this one's 2. I'm going to go for more fading. I think this is okay. So I'm going to save this one as PNG. I'm going to save as picture. And then I even have them here. I'll go to drive D, go for pause. Then I'll save it here. So let's limit picture 1. Okay, so picture 1 is done. Let's go back to our form. Then in here, I will go to format. Then picture, I will select. Okay, so I'll go to drive Z and then look for pause. Where is pause? Okay, and I'll pick it here. Alright, so we have it in here, then you go for stretch. Okay, so that is it. Let us go closer to this side. Let's open it up and see whether we have done it. Okay, so perfect. I think we have it now. To go back to design view, stretch it a little. Then we will add this. We will say invoice. Okay, black to black. Increase to size 12. Okay, 14. No, let's make it 12. That is okay. So what I'll do is I'll just close this a little bit. Push this one to the side. Okay, so I'm going to add another icon here. We are going to, let's go back to our icon to now search for invoice. Alright, so I think this is the icon we pick it from the side. Let's go to blue side. Okay, let's check the color we have on here. Okay, something like, let me check. So come down, let's say go this way. Please forgive me with the background noise. Okay, so I think I'll pick it like from there and save it. Yeah, inside pause. So we will leave it as PNG and then we save. So we'll come back to add another image here. Okay, so we are going to select what we download. Okay, so perfect. We have it in here. Simple as that. Alright, then the next thing is we are going to add where it has the count. Okay, so invoice 5. So we go in here, we have this. I will delete this one. Then what I'm going to do is just stretch it. Then I'll go to main. I'll say TST. Okay, so data will go in here. Click on this dot. Then we will enter. We will say NZ. We are going to put in the count So the count, we count the ID from the invoice table. So that is TBL invoice. Okay. So and the value will be 0. All right. So let's save. Okay, so let's open it up, check it. All right. So it says error. What is it? TBL invoice. Okay. So TBL. Oh, sorry, that is a typographical error. Invoice. Okay, invoice. So let's save. Let's open it up. All right. So it's 0. All right. So we're going to bring this one down a little bit. Okay, so it has no problem. Let me increase the size. So I'll go to format. I'll change to black. Then I'll use MS. Okay, so it says I'll just click on this and then format it like that. Okay, so that is it. I'll change the color to black and we increase the size a little, say 20. Make it bold. This one is light. Let me check and see. Can have yeah, this is perfect. I think this is perfect. So let's open it up and see. Okay, still we get an error. What's the problem? Okay, so I'm going back to it. Oh, I couldn't save invoice, so I'll save it. Okay. All right, so it's there like that. So design view, I'm going to set this to transparent format, fill color, transparent. Okay, then let's do something here. View. All right, design view. I'll push this one. Okay, so to fine. And we want the left margin to be 2. Let's see what we will get. Let's open it up and see. Alright, so I think this point is perfect. And then still this one. Reset the data. Okay. So we need to lock this. So I'll go to data, lock yes, enable, lock yes, enable no. So let's view and see what, yeah. I think this is perfect. So let me bring this one to be in line with this view. Okay, so we are done with this. Let's go back to design view. So I'm going to copy the whole of this one. Control C. Okay, so what is the next part? So let's check the next part. The next thing is categories. Okay, so you have to say categories. Category. All right. So we go in here, we change, we are just going to change the table. So table category. Alright, it also has an ID. So you see, okay, then we save. Let's check it again. Alright, let's save. Now let's open. Okay, so category 02. Alright. Now we're going to change the icon for this. So we go back to the icon box and then we search for diversity. Am I doing wrong? Okay. So I was making wrong spelling for diversity. So I think this is what we used. Let's check the color. Blue. So I'll click on this. I'll go here. Okay. So We are just going to click on this and save. Okay, so we leave it as that. Let me see. Pause diversity already exists. Okay, so yeah, it is there, but we need this color, so let me change this name. Okay, all right. So we come here, we go to format, we click here, then we choose it. That's there. So let's save. Let's open up. Okay, so perfect. We have this one. Then the next one is we copy again. Control and V. Okay, so the next one, which is products. We have products. I think this video will not be long. So we go to data, control source, then instead of table, we see table products. So products. Click on OK. Then let's check it again sometimes. Okay, so okay. Now let's save. Let's open. Alright, so we have product 2 to be 0. And the last one of all, now let's get the icon. So we go here, click on this. That's again. Why these things? I should have done it long before. Okay, so I think we have it. Is a food receive? Okay, so let's change the is food receive. So let's change the color. Let's check the color from here. So the color is somewhat green. Are we there? Okay, I will choose this one and I will save. Okay, so I will leave it as that. So we come here, we go to format, we change this one, then we select that. Come on, let's check it out. All right, so we have this. And the last one, I'm going to copy the whole of this again. Control copy, Control C, Control V to paste. So I'm going to change this one to customers. Okay, then I'll change the control source data to TBL customer. Okay, so receive. Now we go here, receive. Let's check it again. Alright, so still customer. Then we go back to our icon box. Then we search for who. Oh, see, good. We don't have this one. Let's check it out. No. So I'm going to check for people. Then I'll go for all. Let's check it in here. You should find it. You should find it in here. This one, people. So let's check the color. Okay, let me go to my color. This one, which is that? Okay, anything that will resemble. Okay, it's this one. So we right click and then we save. Alright, so people 500 is good. Then we come back here, we go to format, change this one to, yeah, so that is it. Boom. Okay, Let's view error. So that is what I said about the, and let's go in here, TBL customer. Oh, okay, so there's no L here. So we save here. Let's open here. All right, so customers to 0. So let's go back, close this one, and let's come here. Then let's go to, then we go here, refine N1. Okay, so we set the navigation target to FRM dashboard. So let's save, let's close it. Now let's open. Yeah, so that is it. Very nice. I'm going to design view, close this one, go back to design view. Oh, sorry, go to form dashboard, and then we will carry this one and line it with this, like that. Then I will set the whole thing. I don't need that. Okay, so I will need this. I don't need that. All right, then I'll select the image. Sorry. Okay, so this one will do, and then what I'll do is I'll go to arrange and call. I will change top. Then this one I will change it to stretch and call. Let's go back to this side. We will have arrange. Okay, so let's open it up and see. Go to, wow. So let's check it out from the form. Yeah, I think the other thing we need to do here. So go back, close this. Let's open this one, design view. I am going to reduce the size little by little. So I will do, all the image sizes. I am going to reduce that. I'm going to the shortest size to the narrowest. Okay. Then the same thing applies to this. I will change to the narrowest. Alright, so let's drag this to this side a little. I'm going to take everything here, put it to this side a little. Okay, it's fine. Then I'll select everything from here. This is not needed, this is not needed. So, okay. Then I'll take the whole of this. We just have to arrange to make it nice, looking good, you know. So let's save, view it. Okay, don't worry with this. Go back. Oh, actually, it's good now. So I'm going back. Close dashboard. I'm going to leave a little space in between. So I'll select this one and pull close to this side. And I'll select this, pull close to this side. Okay, so let me take this one. Alright, so let's check it out. Yes. Okay, so still there are some gaps we need to, okay, close. You know, a lot of formatting that we need to do here. I wish I could forward and, but just stay tuned, and then I hope you understand what I'm doing better than. So this one that I'll push close to the side, and then I think this one to go a little this way, and then let me save. Let's view. Let's go this side. Okay, so Let's close it and view it in here. Okay, so I think it's in between the two here, so close this one, go back, and then you go a little like that. Let me save, close, and okay, so more or less like first one need to push this one to the side a little, so design view, and then I'll close this. Oh, remove this one. That's how I do my thing. I just will delay it. At the end of the day, we get a perfect design. Okay, so let's open it in here. Oh, mine gap between this side and this side, so I have to push this little. Like, okay, close. Oh, and then I'll select this one too. Let's see. Okay, so please you do well, and then you make sure you get a perfect arrangement for this one. As you can see, I think this will be enough for us to move on. So I'll close this one, open this design view, then let's check. So now we need the pink line on top, and then what again? Okay, and then the gray thing around. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go in here, change the back color font to the fill color. I'm going to pick this, more or less perfect like that. Let's check it out. View. Okay, this one will do, and design view, and then I'm going to add another box triangle. So I'm going to start from here and drag it down. I think you know what I'm doing. Think okay, so this will do. Okay, let's check it out. Alright, so I'll go back, I'll change the background. You select, go to format, then let's fill it with white. Okay, then you go to design properties, you go to format, you remove the border, say transparent, and you go back to arrange, we send it to back. Alright, so let's view. Alright, so design view, what I'm going to do is we are going to stretch this. So we go here, then we say okay, let's check it out. Oh, fine. So design view, let me increase this a little. Okay, so let's view. Yeah, almost there. I think yeah, there. So I'm going to copy this. I highlight and highlight this, then size, arrange, align to left, then the size I will change to widest. Alright, then I will select again. I'll do control C, control V, then you will change the size solid. We need two, do then that pink color. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this one, and then we close and then open the now from design view, and I'm going to get the color here, back color. Okay, this, and we copy, let's close this, open this one. Okay, so I'm selecting this, and then I'll change the border color to that. Let's see. Okay, hopefully. Then what I will do is I will select two, then I will say align top. Alright, so let's check that in Oh, great, 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 very nice. Yeah. So design view, let's close all of this and go to dashboard. And then I'm going to add exclamation sign. Okay. I think this has been a long video. So let's save that and then let's check it in. Okay, so guys, I think everything is perfect now. Everything is fine. I think we have been able to. So we are missing something here, the product. So let's go back and fix that dashboard. Then this, I'm going to give it another back. Let's view. Okay, so still we have the customer missing. So I'll go to design view. I'll search for products and I will bring it forward. Why are you still not seeing products? So products. Let's see the anchor. Oh, sorry, we should left. Meaning that it hides itself. Okay, so one more thing is I need to remove the line that we have here. So go to design view and highlight this. And I will change solid transparent. Now let's look at how this view. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. So design view. Almost this one. I'll bring it down a little bit. Yes. Okay, so I think at this time we are done with the dashboard. So the next thing we'll be going to do on the dashboard is to write the VBA code for each of the button here in order to navigate through the forms we are going to create the next time. So please, if you find this helpful and useful, that is the end of the part 3 of this video. Let me know in the comment section if there is anything we need to add to the dashboard to make it more richer than what we have now. So please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, share my video, comment, and if you have already been here, thank you for watching my videos and still being with me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.